Hello everybody, Justin here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And before jumping into the charts, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. And let's do it. So first things first, we are going to use this chart here, which stands for Binance. But yeah, we have to acknowledge the bigger picture, right? So have in mind that I acknowledge all of it. Okay. So let's start with volume and OBV. Take a look on volume. So we had a big spike in volume last month. So far we still have 17 days to go, and we are far away from the midway here. Yeah, and now let's take a look on OBV. Yes. So let me see. Okay, so we have the bullish divergence. So the trading volume on this range is already bigger than it was in 2017. I'm not sure about the overall volume, but for Binance, yes, we have a higher high for buyers volume, which is bullish. Not only that, let me see. So we also have a bullish divergence here and here and here as well, which is great news. But again, we understand that volume precedes price. So precedes need time, okay? So the candles here for the monthly, let's take a look here. Just a second. Yeah, so we still have inside bar trade, which means the bulls try double break, but without success so far. And we are still trading inside the previous rejection, okay, which is not the best scenario, but it's not over yet. We have a key levels here to watch. Just a second. So this is my, if you are not familiar, this is my tool that I developed with a few friends. And yeah, so we maybe we can expect uh, a bull move around 14 and 400 before September. It is possible, okay? I'm not calling for it because we don't have a clear picture so far. Otherwise, I would call it with proper targets, okay? When there is nothing clear, there is no way to have targets. Now let's jump into the weekly. Just a second. So this is the previous structure. Just a second. Yeah. So we talked about this one back in the day, that this was a triple top, and indeed it was. And we had a half pullback. I was waiting for a move, for a more aggressive move, somewhat close to 4 cents. But it doesn't matter where it happens. Sometimes we expect for more and we end up with less, no problem. Yeah, so this is the range that we just talked about. Very key level for XLM 0089. And let me see here. Okay, we have a problem here. Just a second. So what problem we have here? We are having a lot of bearish activity on this range, which okay, so this range is the 50% average in the bigger picture, which is right here. Okay, and not this one. Second. So there is a lot of sellers activity on this range, and also we can see all the rejections. Rejected multiple times from this range, and right now, so the last candle for August, I mean this is the weekly chart, sorry. The previous candle, weekly candle, it's bearish. So the first one is bearish spinning top, shooting star, bearish, bearish spinning top, indecision, not a shooting star but inverted hammer, bearish as well. And this one here, it's the evening star. This is a bearish candle, and yeah, we have to see how this is going to play out, because this is not bullish. Okay, it's not bullish. So perhaps they are going to let go for this range, then fall back before bullish continuation, maybe. But we also have to acknowledge we are close to September, so the bulls are running out of time. Okay, they have to do their thing as fast as possible. Now let's jump into the 3 days. Okay, so shooting star, bearish hammer, not able to keep pushing, bearish spinning top. This is somewhat a neutral hammer, because we are still trading inside. So the bulls keep buying, but they are not able to push further so far. Okay, perhaps they are waiting before another attempt. We are going to know if this is true soon. So far we don't have any technical evidence. Go for the daily. So on the daily we have a bearish setup, and all these long tails are bearish. Oh, not bearish, sorry. It's a bot activity. Okay, there is a lot of bot activity, and this is not healthy for, not the best scenario to trade. Okay. Also, let me see. We have a grinding line here as well. And this kind of line are not healthy, okay, and not bullish as well. The bulls so far, they were able to keep printing. Let's go for this one here. Oh, just a second, please. Okay, so they were able to keep printing new highs, but like we talked about, we still ending up with rejections, and this kind of approach here is not bullish. It's not bullish, but still it is possible to end up with a bull break. Okay, it's like mind games. Okay, we for example, if we end up with multiple patterns or price behavior that are not bullish, it's a red sign, and we have to watch out for it. Okay, we must acknowledge everything that's bullish and bearish to have a better understanding. Now let's jump into the 4 hours. Okay, so just a second. So this kind of behavior, it's not bullish. Let me see. So this one right here, it's the only one different that broke this awful price behavior. But again, it's not enough to make I mean, if we measure this guy right here, let's take a closer look. Just a second. Okay, so Yeah. So as you guys can see, we are still trading below the 50% average for this range. And so far, this is not great, okay? But this can change at any time with any big candle. Uh, what the bulls need here, it's some trigger around 11 cents again to fight for a higher low. That's what they need for now, okay? Then things will be easier for a straight bull break. But so far we don't have it, and if we keep trading below 50%, it's going to be bearish, okay? So this is not my opinion. This is how it works, okay? Let's take a quick look on the hourly. Let me see. Yeah, so they still have some room to work here. I'm not sure if this is the scenario that they are looking for. Perhaps, maybe. They will let go for now. Defend a higher low from here before another bull break attempt. But this one must be stronger than the previous one. Otherwise, they will keep fighting inside this range over and over and over till there is no more room to go. Okay. The good news about it, it can be a consolidation period before a bull break. Okay. So guys, this is it for now. I hope this analysis can help you, maybe in the way you read the charts, or to make your decisions, or even to improve your trading setup. And yeah, thanks for your time, thanks for your patience, thanks for your support as well. And don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. You can do it in like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, just a small portion of your time. So thanks again, and I will see you guys soon. See ya.